everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to log in into the AIB Mobile Banking app. First, open the AIB Mobile Banking app on your phone. Then, click on the login into AIB Mobile Banking. Then, enter your registration number and then your 5-digit personal access code. Then, click login. After that, go ahead and enter your PAC when prompted. Then after entering your login details, tap continue. If everything is correct, you'll be taken to your account dashboard where you can view balances and manage your banking. If you enter the wrong details multiple times, your access may be temporarily blocked, so make sure your information is correct. That's how you log in into the AIB mobile banking app. Do not forget to subscribe for more easy guides.